Hello everyone, welcome to Vedant's classes. This is Ramu. Now I am going to explain a beautiful concept, nth term of quadratic sequence. How to find out the nth term of a quadratic sequence. Now let me explain first of all what is the nth term of this particular sequence. 3, 7, 11, 15, so on. Now what is the difference between or gap between first two? 4, 4, 4. So clearly the first difference is same, then it is simply called as linear sequence. Here the linear sequence, we can find out the nth term. How can we find out the nth term? Nth term is equal to, so the gap is between the numbers is 4, so 4n, put n place 1, 4 ones are 4, but we need to get the first term is 3, because we are substituting 1 here, means nothing but to get the first term, put n is equal to 1, 4 ones are 4, you will get 4 ones are 4, but the first term is 3, so what we need to do? Subtract minus 1, then the nth term will becomes to 4n minus 1. This is the linear sequence. Now I am going to explain how to find out the nth term of a quadratic sequence. Before going to that, what is the general form of nth term of a quadratic sequence is an square plus bn plus c. This is the general term of nth term of a quadratic sequence. Now let me give an example how to find out that. Question number 1. 1, 3, 7, 13, 21 and so on. This is the sequence. Now we have to find out the quadratic sequence, nth term of this one. Now what is the gap? That is plus 2 here, plus 2 here, sorry, plus 4 here, plus 6 here, plus 8. If you observe that the first difference is clearly different, not same, so then you can go for the second difference. 2 and 4, second difference is 2. 4 and 6, second difference is 2. 6 and 8, second difference is 2. Here if you observe that the second difference of the sequence are same, then it is called a quadratic sequence. Then it is called a quadratic sequence. Now how to find out the nth term of the quadratic sequence? Simple logic. What is the second difference? Whatever it may be the second difference, that second difference always should be equal to 2a. Therefore 2a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 by 2 and a is equal to 1. Now we got the value of a. Now here is the first difference. The first difference always should be equal to 3a plus b. That is equal to how much? What is the first difference? 2. So 3 into a value 1 plus b is equal to 2. 3 ones are 3 plus b is equal to 2. B is equal to 2 plus 3 becomes 2 minus 3. B is equal to minus 1. And the first term of the sequence is whatever it may be the term should be equal to a plus b plus c should be equal to 1. Now substitute the values. A value 1, b value minus 1 plus c is equal to 1. Minus and plus cancel, c is equal to 1. Already I told that the nth term of the sequence, what I told you, tn is equal to an square plus bn plus c. Substitute the values. Tn is equal to, the value of a is 1, so 1 into n square, value of b is minus 1, so minus 1 into n minus n plus c is 1. So finally the nth term of the sequence is n square minus n plus 1. Let me go for another example. Let me take the second example. Suppose if you take 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, so on. Check it. What is the first difference? Plus 2, plus 4, sorry, plus not 4, 3, 4, and this is 5. Clearly observe that the first differences are not same. Then we will go for the second differences. 1, 1, 1. Clearly the second differences are same. So it is again a quadratic sequence. Now how to find out the nth term of a quadratic sequence? I told you the second difference should be equal to 2a. So 2a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1. Multiplication becomes to division. The first difference always should be equal to, I already informed already, 3a plus b is equal to 2. Now substitute the value of a. 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2 plus b is equal to 2. So b is equal to 2 plus 3 by 2 becomes 2 minus 3 by 2. So b is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 3, 1 by 2. And already I told that the first term of the sequence should be equal to a plus b plus c is equal to 1. Substitute. A is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 1 by 2 plus c is equal to 1. We know that 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1, plus c is equal to 1. C is equal to 1 minus 1, so c is equal to 0. As we know already, the nth term Tn is equal to formula an square plus bn plus c. So Tn is equal to a value 1 by 2n square plus b value 1 by 2n plus c value 0. This is the nth term of the sequence. I hope you understand. Let me go for another example. Suppose 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. If I give the question like this, we can write directly how 1 can be written as 1 square, 4, 2 square, 3 square, 16, 4 square, 25, 5 square. Generally nth term will be what? N square. Now we will do the same problem. We will do the same problem by using the quadratic sequence, and we will check whether it is right or wrong. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. Check the gap. 3, 5, 7, 9. Now check the gap. 2, 2, 2. So clearly second difference is same. So and it will become a quadratic sequence. So once if it is a quadratic sequence, what I said, the second difference must be equal to 2a. So 2a is equal to 2, a is equal to 1. First difference should be equal to 3a plus b is equal to 3. A value 1 plus b is equal to 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 3 becomes 2 minus 3. So b is equal to 0. And we know that the first term of the sequence should be equal to a plus b plus c equal to 1. A value 1, b value 0, c is equal to 1. So c is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 1. So c is equal to 0. So what is the nth term? An square plus bn plus c. Clearly b and c are 0. So this will be totally 0. Then Tn is equal to a value 1 into n square If we do directly n square according to the problem we do, you will get n square. Now, when we are doing the problem, you may have a doubt. Why should we equal the first term to 2a equal to the first difference to 3a plus b, and the first term of the sequence should be equal to a plus b plus c. Why should we equal? So to know the answer for this particular questions, please watch my next video. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Please share, subscribe my channel, and also forward it to your friends and relatives. Thank you so much.